Norman Chombe, the legal representative of the squatters, argues that the people's fundamental rights were violated when the city police demolished shacks last week Wednesday at Koreanghap informal settlement without obtaining an eviction order. He maintains that people who occupy and constructed their shacks on the land were forced by circumstances beyond their control. Some of these homeless people had registered for the piece of land through group committees which are recognized by the city council, Chombe said. The human rights lawyer says that the city, as the biggest local authority in the country, should have dealt with this matter more compassionately.
The law is very clear that if there is a right that the city wants to assert, the city must go to court and get a court order in the terms that it wants to assert its rights. This self-help, where the city comes in without a court order, is breeding anarchy. It's certainly not good for the local authority, the biggest in the country, to do unlawful things like this, like a vigilante group. That's definitely not appropriate for a city to do that.
The city's corporate communications manager, Joshua Amgugo, on the other hand, says the city is in no way violating a court ruling. But in the same vein, he said some people are allegedly taking advantage of the court verdict delivered last year, which says no shack should be demolished without a court order.
The city is not violating because we are having people on guard there, on the ground, keeping an eye on whoever is trying to put up a new structure. And we send in the people to destroy those structures before it has been changed into a house. Now the people have even started strategizing with a new strategy of putting up structures at night. And in the morning, there is a fridge in a structure, there is a bed in the structure. Apparently, according to the law, don't touch. But it was put up yesterday evening with the lights of the cars throughout the night. But yesterday it was not non-existent. According to the law, once a structure becomes habitable, it shouldn't be touched.
However, Norman Chombe says that the Windhoek City Council should have served occupants with notices to avoid the cost involved. For now, the informal settlers have vowed not to go to the polls should there be no instruction from government to stop the municipality from demolishing their shacks. Blanche Kore says, NBC News, Windhoek.